In this video, I'm going to talk about Prodigy. Okay, Prodigy I chose to share because it is an adaptive math program used by more than 1.5 million school leaders and teachers and 50 million students around the world. With 1,500 plus math skills, it offers curriculum aligned content from every math standards and covers first to eighth grade. My goal for this video was to give teachers a response for an intervention tool to differentiate math content and to reinforce and supplement lesson plans, okay, and it also provides a lot more opportunity as well. Plus, teacher and admin can access comprehensive data reports illustrating growth, performance, and student engagement. This website ensures all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in engaging learning opportunities and to develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable review of students' progress in real time. So if we take a little closer look at what Prodigy is, okay, on the teacher side, there's a couple different pages we can look at. We can look at the dashboard, we can look at clicking on students. This is where we can add students to a class. We can remove students if they move. If they move from class to class, we can move students easily doing this just by clicking there and clicking the name and then moving them to a different class. We can assign assessments, which is extremely easy. All you do is create assessment. And then there's a couple of different things. It can be based on a standard. It could be a quiz. It could be standardized test prep. So let's kind of set one up. So we did quiz. Hit continue. Then we can kind of pick what standard, okay, what age group we want. And let's go two-dimensional shapes and estimating area of a circle. So that's what I want my quiz to be over. I can select a number of questions I want it to cover. So let's say 7 questions. Hit next. Then we can select who do I want to assign it to. I can select all the students. I can select a couple students. So I'm going to hit next. Then we can choose when do we want to sign it. So let's say I want to sign it on Monday the 20th and it to be due on the 22nd. Then all I have to do is create and it pushes it to those students. Okay. If we look up the reports, okay, it gives us the students' progress. It could be the comprehension, okay, students' usage. So how often are they on the program? Okay, what did they do each day? Okay, where's their placement test? So this will give us where are the students starting. Okay, so this is kind of on the teacher's view. Okay, also on the dashboard, it also tells us the students, what questions they're at. So I have a couple of different profiles. So my first profile, I answered 4 questions. I got 3 of them correct just to see what would happen when one was missed. Okay, this tells us how many questions each student answered. Okay, so I answered 4 questions so far, so that's where mine's at. Okay, then it goes on a little bit further. So looking at the student's view, this is what the students will see. Okay, so they're giving a math question. So 63.2 divided by 8. Okay, and we need to figure out what that is. So let's say 7.3. Okay, oops, I missed it. So what actually tell us to see the answer. Okay, we click here, it'll explain the work, which is very nice. Okay, so they can see where they messed up. And then go back to battle. Since I missed it, my guy gets injured. Okay, then I get to select the next thing I want to do, answer the next question, and then it moves on. Once again, this is the pretest, so this is a adaptive. So this is a little snap view of what Prodigy is.